So many of my clients say we're all about making our clients' lives easier. And everything you do should be about that. Everything you do should be about that. It should be easy to navigate your website. One of my favorite things, I don't know if you all know the Kids Science Lab guys. They came out of the New Venture Challenge. They teach science classes for kids, and they have multiple locations. But early on, I had to call their office, and I got their voicemail message, and I timed it because it was 2 minutes long. Because Shagan, the CEO, was so excited, someone called, that he wanted to tell everything about Kids Science Lab in the message. And it was like, Shagan, they've taken time out of their busy day to call you. That's a gift, right? That's a miracle. When someone takes time out of their busy day to come to you, we have achieved the state of nirvana. So obviously they want to talk to you, right? Obviously they are reaching out to engage in a one-on-one conversation with you. Let them leave their message. Don't force them to listen to a 2-minute message. They've already decided to call you. Let them leave their message, right? So a lot of times we do things because so many times I see entrepreneurs do things because they want their customer to know, because they want their customer to do X, instead of doing things they know their customer wants. Don't try to force your customer to be what you wish them to be. Speak to them in a way that they already are.